Hello, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 20, and today's topic is forming adjectives from nouns. Here, see, it is written noun, adjective, noun, adjective. It means in this section or in this lesson, we are actually learning how we can make adjective from noun. Like here it is written affection, affectionate, anger, angry, center, central, courage, courageous, custom, customary, danger, dangerous, expense, expensive, fame, famous, favor, favorite, friend, friendly, fury, furious, haste, hasty, hero, heroic, marvel, marvelous, music, musical, nature, natural, poison, poisonous, value, valuable, victory, victorious, wool, woolen. So after this, we are getting some exercises. Actually, there are two exercises, A and B. We have to do this, but again I'm telling, again I'm making you remember. First time you try to learn this or memorize this, or you try to keep this in your mind, then you try to do it. Don't see from this place. First learn it, then do it. I am doing it by myself. You after that match with my one. Okay, let's start. Here see a number exercise. Here it is written what are the adjectives formed from these nouns. So let's start. Here wool, its adjective is woolen. Second number, we know haste, its adjective is hasty. Favor, favorite. Nature, natural. Poison, poisonous. Poisonous. Then affection, it will be affectionate. Fury, it will be furious. Hero, it will be heroic. Victory, it will be victorious. Center, it will be central. Anger will be angry. Marvel, it will be marvelous. Custom, it will be customary. 14 number, music, it will be musical. 15, what it is? It is danger, so it will be dangerous. Expanse, its adjective is expansive. Courage, its adjective is courageous. Friend, its adjective is friendly. Fame, its adjective is famous. And value, its adjective is valuable. So now it's our turn to do B number exercise. Let's do that one. Here it is written, write the adjective formed from the noun in bold type that will complete each sentence. This is same thing like before, but A number exercise, here it was only word, but here one word is in bold type. We have to make its adjective and we have to put that one in this blank. So let's start. First one, the captain's desk conduct saved the lives of his crew. Here hero, we know its adjective and that is heroic. 2 number, my dash book is Watership Town. Here favor, its adjective is favorite, so write it here. The Niagara Falls are a dash sight. Here, marvel, its adjective is marvelous. Phone number, the thieves stole a dash diamond necklace. Here, value, its adjective is valuable. Next one, 5 number, the lady bought a very dash fur coat. Here, expanse, its adjective is expansive. 6 number, grandpa was seated in his dash armchair. Here, custom, we know its adjective, that is customary. Next one, 7 number, here it is written, some plants bear dash berries. Here, poison is bold word, we have to make its adjective, we know that is poisonous. 8 number, Marcia's hair has dash webs. Here, nature, its adjective is natural. 9 number, Judith is a very dash child. Here, affection, its adjective is affectionate. Next one, the lost boy was helped by a dash policeman. Here, friend, its adjective is friendly. So today we have done page number 20, and today's topic is forming adjectives from nouns, and it's of course from book 3. Next time we will do page number 21. Here we will find the topic that is direct speech. Bye for today.